Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting gadget that promises to revolutionize your in-car entertainment, the Carlinkit Wireless CarPlay Adapter with Android 13.0 system Multimedia Box. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just looking to upgrade your car's infotainment, this review will cover everything you need to know. Overview of the product. The Carlinkit Wireless CarPlay Adapter is a 3-in-1 multimedia solution that brings wireless CarPlay and Android Auto to your car. Essentially, it converts your wired system into a wireless one, supporting both CarPlay and Android Auto seamlessly. But it doesn't stop there, it's also a full Android 13.0 system multimedia box, allowing you to run apps, stream videos, and use navigation just like on your phone or tablet. Design and build. The device is compact and sleek, designed to fit discreetly in your car without cluttering the dashboard. Installation is straightforward. Plug it into your car's USB port, and it pairs with your car's existing infotainment system. No complicated setups, no messy cables, perfect for those who value simplicity. Performance, CPU, GPU, and memory. Under the hood, the Carlinkit adapter packs impressive hardware: Qualcomm SM6115 quad-core CPU, Adreno 610 GPU, and 4GB RAM with 64GB storage. This means the system runs smoothly, handling multiple apps simultaneously without lag. Switching between streaming platforms like Netflix, YouTube, or TikTok, and navigation apps is fast and responsive. The ample storage also allows you to download a wide variety of apps from the built-in application store. Features, multimedia and navigation. This adapter transforms your car into a full multimedia hub. You can stream Netflix, YouTube, TikTok, and more directly from your dashboard screen. It also supports GPS navigation with GPS plus GLONASS, ensuring accurate positioning whether you're in the city or on long road trips. The multimedia experience is further enhanced by the ability to customize apps and organize your favorite tools directly on the Android interface. Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. One of the standout features is the wireless CarPlay and Android Auto support. If your car currently only supports wired connections, this adapter eliminates the hassle of plugging in every time. Pair your phone once, and your system connects automatically whenever you enter the car. Siri and Google Assistant are fully supported, allowing for hands-free voice commands, perfect for safer driving. App ecosystem. The Carlinkit box runs Android 13.0, which opens up a huge ecosystem of apps. From music streaming and video apps to utility and productivity tools, you can download what you need directly from the App Store. This flexibility makes the adapter not just a CarPlay accessory but a standalone infotainment upgrade. Conclusion. Overall, the Carlinkit Wireless CarPlay Adapter is a fantastic investment for anyone looking to modernize their car's infotainment system. With a powerful CPU/GPU combination, 4GB RAM, 64GB storage, wireless CarPlay and Android Auto support, and the ability to run Android 13.0 apps including Netflix and YouTube, it's truly a complete multimedia solution. Voice controls through Siri and Google Assistant make it safer and easier to use on the go. If you're tired of wired connections and want a versatile, high-performance car entertainment upgrade, the Carlinkit adapter is worth every penny. Call to action. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth tech reviews here on my channel. Let me know in the comments if you've tried this adapter or if you have any questions about its features.